You see a stain like this on your ceiling, and your brain goes straight to, great, how much is this going to cost me? Is it a simple fix, or is your roof telling you it's on its last leg? In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 most common causes of roof leaks here in San Diego, and how to tell if it's a small repair or a bigger roof problem, and what to ask a roofer so you don't get sold a full replacement when you really don't need it. By the end, you'll know if you should be thinking patch, partial, or a full roof replacement. Hi, my name is Riley, and we've been doing roofing in San Diego County for over 35 years. We've seen everything from a $250 leak repair to a full deck replacement with remediation needed, all because a small leak was ignored for years. Let's start with this. A ceiling stain is a symptom, not a diagnosis. The real question is, what's happening on the roof above it? Number 1, plumbing vents and pipe flashings. The caulking at the collars around the pipe dries out and cracks over time. The nails back out over time, sealant shrinks and splits. From the attic, that turns into a slow drip every time it rains. If the rest of the roof looks good, this is usually a simple repair. Replace the flashing, fix the shingles around it, reseal it, and move on. If you have one leak at the vent of a midlife roof, it's not you need a new roof. You need a roofer that's not a salesman. Number 2, chimneys and walls. Any place your roof meets vertical walls is a high risk area. Step flashing missing or installed wrong, counter flashing not cut into the stucco or brick, old tar and goop instead of actually having real metal there. If you see a stain near a chimney or where the roof runs into a wall, odds are high it's a flashing related issue. Again, if the shingles around it are still in good shape, we can usually fix this without having to replace the entire roof. Just pull back the shingles, redo the step and counter flashing, tie it back into the existing roof. That's it. Number 3, skylights. A lot of leaks blamed on older roofs are actually failed skylight flashing, cracked skylight frames, or condensation issues that look like leaks. Sometimes we can reseal and reflash the skylight or replace the skylight unit itself without having to touch the rest of the roof. If every quote you're getting says you have to replace the entire roof just to fix a skylight leak, get another opinion. Number 4, valleys and low slope sections. Anywhere 2 roofs come together or where you have a dead valley, a low slope roof tied to a steeper one, a torch roof with rolled roofing or modified bitumen, those areas handle a lot more water and they fail faster. Here's the good news. We can often surgically replace just that problem area. Tear out the valley or the low slope material, fix any rotten wood underneath, install the correct membrane or metal, and tie it back into the good roof. That's still a repair, just a more involved one. Number 5, when the leak isn't the one thing anymore. If you have stains in multiple rooms, granules everywhere in your gutters, curled, cracked, or bare shingles across the entire roof, or soft spots when you're walking on it, at that point, the leak is a symptom of an old system, not a single failure. That's when we start talking seriously about a full replacement. Think about it this way. You're probably in repair territory if your roof is under 18 years old. Most shingles still have good granules, they're not curling up. Leaks are near obvious details like vents, chimneys, skylights, valleys. The decking feels solid when you're walking on it. You're probably in replace territory if the roof is near or past its expected life, usually over 25 years old. You see widespread cracking, curling, bald patches, you're chasing new leaks on every storm, or there's multiple layers or obvious code issues. And if your roofer gives you you need a whole new roof answer in 5 minutes without getting on the roof, looking in the attic, and taking no photos, that's not an inspection. That's a pitch. Here are 5 you can literally read off the phone. Can you show me photos of the exact area you think it's leaking from? If we only repaired this area, what would that look like and why wouldn't you recommend it? How old do you think the roof is and what condition is the rest of it in? Will this repair affect my manufacturer warranty in any way? If we go 1 to 2 more years, what's the risk? A good roofer will walk you through options with pros and cons. A bad one only has one option. Replace everything right now. A leak doesn't always mean you're writing a $25,000 check. Sometimes it's a $450 bill. Sometimes it's a skylight flashing. Sometimes, yes, it's your roof saying, I'm done. The key is getting someone who will actually diagnose the problem, not just sell you the biggest possible solution. So if you're in San Diego County and you have a leak, we're happy to come out and do a full evaluation of your roof, show you photos, give you both repair and replacement options, and you can decide what makes sense for you after understanding what's really going on with your roof. If this video helped you understand your leak a little better, please hit like so more homeowners don't panic buy a new roof that they actually don't need. Subscribe for more no BS roofing advice and home protection videos. And in the comments, let me know, have you ever been sold something you really didn't need? Thank you for watching this, and I will see you guys in the next one.